we can classify the motions. Under the motions, we can see some classifications and some types we can see under the relative motions, and we can see in surface contacts, and we can see some types in types of closure also, according to types of closure. Pairs. What is a pair? Pair is nothing but combination of linkages is called as pair. Combination of linkages. Combination of links or linkages. Combination of links or linkages is called as pairs. And the pairs is classified into three types. According to relative motion, according to surface contact, and the third one is according to closures. According to closures or the classification, we will see according to relative motion, according to surface contact, according to closures. First we will see type of constrained motions. Types of constrained motions. Under this, we will see first one as completely constrained motion. And second one is incompletely constrained motion. And the third one is successfully constrained motion. Okay, first we will see the types of constrained motion. First one, we will see completely constrained motion and incompletely constrained motion and successfully constrained motion. First, coming into the completely constrained motion, we will see a square block and square block under which a square rod is transferred. Square rod is transferred. Square rod is transferred. In this, we will see the movement of a square rod in any one axis. In any one axis, either in x-axis or y-axis or z-axis. Any one axis there will be a movement that is called as constrained motions. Completely constrained motion. In this, there will be a movement in any one axis, either it will move in plus x or minus x. It will move in positive direction of x-axis or it will move under the negative direction of x-axis, or it may move in y-axis. The movement will be in y-axis or z-axis, or the movement will be in the z-axis, in z-axis alone. Such kind of motions or movements are called as completely constrained motion. Okay, according to any one axis, the movement will be there. Such kind of constrained motions are called as completely constrained motion. Such kind of motions are called as completely constrained motion. Completely constrained motion. Okay, the movement in any one axis is called as completely constrained motion. Okay, now we will move into the incompletely constrained motion. That is our second type. Incompletely constrained motion. Now, do you understand what is pairs? Pairs is nothing but combination of linkages is called as pairs. In pairs, there are types of movements or motions. Such kind of movements or motions are termed as constrained motions. Under this, there are three headings: completely constrained motion, and incompletely constrained motion, and successfully constrained motion. In completely constrained motion, these are all the types. The movement will be under any one axis. Such kind of motions are called as constrained motions or completely constrained motions. Okay. Now we will move into the second type, that is incompletely constrained motion. Incompletely constrained motions. Incompletely constrained motion. Incompletely constrained motion. What is incompletely constrained motion? Consider same block, same block inside which we are Here in completely constrained motion we have inserted a square or a rectangular object, but in this we are inserting a circular object or an ellipse object. Circular object. In this we are inserting a shaft. Inserting a shaft. Inserting a shaft. In shaft there will be a rotary motion as well as sliding motion. There will be a rotary motion and a sliding motion. There will be a rotary motion and a sliding motion. We should arrest either sliding motion or